Hi friends, this is Puna. You are watching Puna Smart Tech. Friends, today my video is wait. First I will tell some of the key points. Let me begin my video. Friends, all of you know the WordPress and Bookmark, the companies which are offering too much high for their beginners. So I will tell the one of the company like colahost.com. It will give the lowest price and quality service affordable for their beginners. So I will give the detailed information and interface in this video.
Friends, once you open the description box, you can find the link colahost.com. It is the interface how the colahost.com will be look like this. Here you can find top right side home, hosting, company, client login. Now you can discuss one by one hosting. There are 4 types of hosting: web hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting. We go through one by one. Web hosting. Here you can see 3 steps. First step, sign up. Second, choose. Third, buy yearly and enjoy. You can go to down. There are 3 plans: basic, pro, ultimate. Now you can, ultimate is not there because of some external reasons. There are websites basic 1, pro 5, ultimate unlimited. We unnecessary for ultimate to discussing now. Now we can discuss basic pro differences. Disk space 10 GB. Here you will get 30 GB SSD storage and 10 GB SSD storage. Here you can see prices 720 per year Indian rupees. Here 1000 rupees per year. Now we can go to reseller hosting. Here also same 3 steps. Not there the ultimate plan. Here we can go through the basic pro plans. Same as disk space 100 GB SSD, 500 GB SSD. Here you can watch cost 799 per month, 1499 per month. Now we can go to VPS. Here we now go to VPS hosting. Germany VPS, bill VPS yearly, get a great discount. Here you can watch VPS asterisk 1 2400 per month, VPS asterisk 2 1000 per month, VPS asterisk 3 1000 per month. You can see features VPS asterisk 1, VPS asterisk 2, VPS asterisk 3. And also here have VPS asterisk 4, VPS asterisk 5, their features. Now we go to final dedicated hosting. This is same as VPS hosting. There are some slight differences. You can watch dedicated asterisk 1, dedicated asterisk 2, dedicated asterisk 3. And here you can see that you can get main page. Here you can see first anniversary month sale up to 90% offer on your shared hosting plans. Here you can get 90% offer first anniversary. Affordable but powerful, get started now. Shared hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting and dedicated hosting. Their features, view more. We can go to the last and down page. Colahost. Colahost is a hosting company which provides its quality service to its useful affordable prices. Here you can see that 100 plus happy customers. Here's one of the advantage, that 30 days money back guarantee. This is wonderful opportunity. 24/7 live customer support. Lots of hosting service outside. Why you should choose us? There is some of the matter. Super light speed of our website and 100% uptimes make our website rank better. This is the some of the futures. This company get high chances to visit. Go through details with a clarity information. That's it, guys. This is our Colahost website review interface.
ఫ్రెండ్స్ మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చిందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఈ వీడియోకి నేను ఒక 100 likes ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. మీకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నా కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో టైప్ చేయండి. పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ట్యాప్ చేసి గంట సింబల్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. నా డైలీ అప్డేట్స్ మీకు ముందుగా వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ పుగ్న సైనింగ్ అవుట్. బాయ్ బాయ్ నౌ.